Dear student, I am going to discuss with you a new topic for class 10th student. Earlier I have given you idea about the current electricity in your class, potential difference, Ohm's law, resistance and resistivity and combination of resistance. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैंने आपको करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर के मुख्य बिंदु आपको समझाए थे। करंट के बारे में बताया था, पोटेंशियल के बारे में बताया था, रेजिस्टेंस के बारे में बताया था, ओम्स लॉ के बारे में बताया था, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, सीरीज और पैरेलल में कैसे ऐड किए जाते हैं, उनका क्या फार्मूला होता है, ये भी मैंने आपको बताया था। रेजिस्टिविटी के बारे में मैंने आपसे चर्चा की थी। मेरा चैनल है SM फिजिक्स एकेडमी। इफ यू हैव नॉट सीन अर्लियर, you can see from that and you can like and subscribe the channel. Even though you can click the bell icon for the further notification. You will get the complete idea about the class 10th physics related problems. If you have any doubt, any questions related to any topic, you can put a comment box. You will write in a comment box and certainly you will get an answer for your doubt. Please try and write questions or doubts in your comment box. I will give you the complete solution of that. I will try my best for you. Now I am going to the topic of this chapter, that is the last topic for you: electricity, power and electrical energy. That is electrical power and electrical energy. I am giving you the idea about the electrical energy and electric power. Let's see. Electrical energy and power. You are knowing when current is passing through a conductor, when current passes through conductor, up to certain time, energy involved, energy consumed is converted is according to work formula, work done by the charge or when a current passes means charge is moving, and when charge is moving there will be a potential difference, a current, and there must be a work done. Now you know that also, you are also knowing V is equal to W upon Q. So W is equal to V into Q. You also know that Q is equal to IT or I is equal to Q upon T. If you are putting this value here, you will get VIT, means up to T time current is passing, work done by the current will be VIT, and this is the electrical energy actually, is equal to VIT. This is the electrical energy. because work is done by the current, or you can say the charges are moving, the current So work will obtain, and this is the electrical energy. It is called electrical energy. Another thing, while we are going to it, we know that V is equal to IR. If we put this value, then we are having E is equal to IR into I into T, means I square RT. Even though our next formula you can get, if you are using E is equal to VIT, you can convert V is equal to IR. From this, I is equal to V upon R. If you are putting this value, then I into V we can write this way: E is equal to V into V by R into T, that is V square over R into T. Why I am giving all this formula? My dear students, while you will solve the numerical, you will get the questions according to. Means if the resistance is given, potential is given, and time is given, you can use this formula. If the resistance is given, if the current is given, then you can use this formula for calculating the electrical energy, I square R into T. Both are same, nothing else. We are using changing the value. Both are same. When the values are given, according to that, you can use the formula for solving the numerical. If the resistance is given, potential is given, and time given, then you can use E is equal to V square over R into T. If the current is given, resistance is given, and time is given, then you can use the electrical energy formula I square RT. Let's see. Power. You are knowing the well-known definition of power is what? That is rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. Means in unit time, how much work done is equal to power. In unit time, how much work is done is equal to power. You know that power is equal to W upon T. आप अपने प्रीवियस क्लासेज में पढ़ रखे हैं इसको. P is equal to W upon T, and here I am getting W is equal to VIT. So we can use this value. If we are putting VIT, then you are having here T will cancel out, and you will have the formula V into I. And what will be the unit of power? Unit of power is joule per second. Our same unit, that is watt. My dear, you can get another formula also. Various form. P is equal to V into I, it is a power. If you are putting V is equal to IR, then this power formula becomes IR into I is equal to I square R. If you are putting the value I is equal to V upon R, then what the formula? You can see. P is equal to V, in place of I you will put the V by R. Your formula becomes V square over R. Here P. Now you see, you are getting two formula. P, another two formula, you are getting three formula. P is equal to VI, P is equal to V square over R, P is equal to I square R. As the value given, you can use the formula for solving the numericals. As the value given, you can use the formula for solving numericals. In various questions, which formula you will use, keep in mind always that if voltage given, current given, you can use the power formula V into I. If the resistance given and voltage given, you can use P is equal to V square over R. If the voltage given, if the current given and resistance given, you can use this formula. Unit of power is what? Now unit of electricity. Unit of electricity means the electrical energy. Unit of electrical energy is that is joule. Another unit we are making. Just you know that watt is equal to joule per second. So joule is equal to watt into second. The commercial unit of energy is unit of energy is unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Now I want to convert kilowatt hour in a joule. 1 kilowatt hour is how much joule? First we convert into watt second. 10 to power 3 into, that will be 10 to power 3 watt, and hour converted into 3600 second. So this will be 10 to power 3 into 3.6 into 10 to power 3 watt second. Watt into second. You know that watt into second is equal to joule. So you are having 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule, means 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule. Means if 1 kilowatt energy is consumed in 1 hour, the energy will be 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule. Board of Trade Union of Electricity is considered 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit. When you use electricity, you find that how much unit you are using, that is in the kilowatt hour. You can calculate your unit by knowing the number of appliances you are using in your house, as well as how much time you are using. You just multiply it, you convert into watt hour, and then you can convert into unit. You can calculate. One numerical may ask on the basis of it, that is कि आपके घर में अगर मान लीजिए कि 4 बल्ब हैं और फैन है, आपके वाटेज दिए हुए हैं, कितने घंटे आप डेली यूज करते हैं, तो मंथली कितनी यूनिट आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम करेंगे, इसके बेसिस पर आप इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? सपोज करिए कि आपके पास एक बल्ब है, मान लीजिए 4 बल्ब है और कितने हैं, 60 वाट के हैं और 8 आवर आप डेली यूज करते हैं। टीवी है आपकी 200 वाट की, आप उसको भी 8 आवर यूज करते हैं। और आपके पास कोई और भी अप्लाइंसेज एक आप ले लीजिए, फ़ैन ले लीजिए 60 वाट का सपोज करिए, और ये आपके 4 फैन हैं, तो आप इसको भी 8 आवर यूज कर रहे हैं इन अ डे, इन अ डे। सो in month 30 days, how much energy you are consuming, how much energy you are consuming, you can calculate. That is 1 day. First you calculate 1 day, 4 bulb, 4 into 60 watt into 8, the value will be, you can convert, that is watt hour. That will be 240 into 8, and that will be 80 to watt hour. You can convert into kilowatt, that will be 1.82 kWh. ये हो गया बल्ब का आपका। इसी तरीके से टीवी का हो जाएगा। टीवी का एक ही टीवी लिया 200 into 8, that is 1600 watt hour, और ये हो जाएगा 1.6 kWh। बाय दैट फैन का कितना होगा 4 into 60 into 8 आवर, तो ये भी उतना ही आएगा 1.82 किलोवाट आवर। अब आप इसको 1 डे का खर्चा आप निकाल लो, तो हो जाएगा 4 16 22 2 into 5 kilowatt hour in a day, means in 30 days you just multiply it 524 into 30, that becomes 3 2 6 7 the 15, and you are having means 157 unit energy you are consuming. If your meter is reading this value 157.2 is correct. If it is another, means there is something wrong. So you can check your meter also by knowing the how much consumption you are doing, and over a month what a bill of electricity you can calculate. This is a practical application of your study. You can use this by your own. This is a project. You can suppose you are getting this and you can calculate. It is a very interesting topic for you to get the value. Kilowatt hour you are using, conversion power is used in megawatt also, kilowatt, megawatt. This way we are getting the value. This is all about your electrical energy and electric power. Thank you for watching the complete video, and please like and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you very much.